Thank you very much. The first video. Now back again to this channel, chemistry demonstration. I call it chemostration. Now in this chemostration, we are going to demonstrate change in oxidation states, change in the combining power of a chemical species. Now, when potassium permanganate with Mn7 plus is dissolved in water, it appears pink in solution. Now that pink color is imparted by Mn7 plus, but when it is reduced to Mn2 plus, it turns to colorless solution, which is demonstrated in the previous video. Now this time around, we are going to demonstrate how Mn7 plus, manganese 7 plus is reduced from 7 plus to 6 plus to 5 plus to 4 plus. There it will stop. Now 4 plus happens to be a brownish color, but in a very light concentration or dilute solution, it appears yellowish brown. Now let's demonstrate. Now this is the potassium permanganate solution. Now here I have sucrose solution. Now again sodium hydroxide solution. Now I will mix the sucrose solution, and potassium permanganate, sucrose solution, and the sodium hydroxide solution. Now, this is what we call chemical chameleon. The color change occur from pink to blue to green to yellowish brown. Chemical chameleon. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button. And not only that, please do well to share to promote this video. You are up with Danpere, empowered by Danpere Chemtech. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.